Yo, what's going on, guys? It's me, and I'm back with another video, and I got Robux, and I spent it. If you're wondering why I look different from the last time, so, yeah. I'm gonna be giving away free pets to noobs like this, people without pets. I'll be giving them the best pet here, or if they want a pet from the moon that's all the way down there or something, I'll give them that. They want just like a hat or something, they can have that. Other than that, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below it, because I will be doing a giveaway soon. I don't know what for, but what it's gonna be, but I will be doing it. Yeah, he's supposed to be getting a YT in 7 days, guys, so maybe when he gets it, maybe I'll link it to it. Yeah, you guys can go subscribe to this guy, help him out. Let's go to the moon. I don't know what he's gonna say. Alright. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Oh, and before I forget, I have a group. Make sure you join my group. Hold on, I have to wait for this to load. Let's try to make a game a little earlier. Didn't go so well. Make sure you join my group. The better still chill group. Yeah. Yeah, make sure you go in to here. Yeah, make sure you join. I already have a person in here, and it's my cousin. And if you want to be admin in my group, just let me know and why you want to have admin, and I might give you it. I might give you admin. And the owner is me, obviously, because I'm the guy that made this group for 100 Robux. I am in the Flamingo group, and so I was like, why not? So, yeah. And that other group that you guys saw at the bottom is my friends. Okay. Yeah. If you join my group, sub to my IT and say why you want it. If you want it, make you admin in my group. Alright. Alright. I don't know if he wants to be admin in my group. I'm saying about making another video after this. And maybe exposing gold diggers or something. I don't know. Maybe just playing a game. Maybe I'll play Roblox in high school and expose some gold diggers. Because I have a friend and he gave me some money. I got every card in the game they could buy with coins. Every house in the game can buy with coins. I got pretty much everything I think you could buy with coins so far. I know of anyways. And yeah. Alright, let's collect some of these coins now, and we will be on our way. I don't know really what else to say, but I didn't really think I was gonna make a video today. There you go, bro. Whoa. That's my friend. Make sure you try to friend her, follow her. Get out of here. Alright. Don't you dare come back. Alright, let's go. Alrighty. 8,000, 76 million, just 65 million. You want this? You can save up for it. Alright, let's go and get it. Let's go get coins. If you want me to do a giveaway for this, make sure you subscribe and comment down below. So I will give away this 1.5 billion. I will give you guys the Robux. I will make a shirt. Give you guys gotta buy the shirt and I'll give you the Robux. Much you're buying shirts and then getting money. You'll get pretty much more money than you. If you want something from a game, just ask me. But in order to get it, you have to buy a shirt. Pretty much you buy a shirt, you get what you want. Want a Dominus? I got you. If I don't have the Robux, then don't just spam a liar in my YT, please. You help me out, I help y'all out. You can't bully in a game, I gotcha. Put my things on there, my pets. Whoa, what the flip is this? I haven't seen this. If there was any new updates, I didn't see it. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. You know, but I had 451 Robux and now I have 18. And yeah, I don't know what else to do if you guys want me to play this. I know he made that and it's on Halt. Yeah. His thing says, "Hi, lol, I'm Albert. Don't click any links in the group wall. Don't fall for any." Stop cursing, okay? Stop saying curse words. Curse words on your own group, Buster. Kristen. Thingies. Don't fall for any thingies. Don't overlay. Advertise. I don't mind linking your game, but don't spam it. Yeah. I don't know what to do. I honestly don't know what to do. I'm pretty sure that's his editor. He's in a game. Oh, yeah. Me, Albert. Me, Albert. Me, Argerburger. Me, Amberger. Game Hub. The ADO skate park. Survive out about the volcano. Fair wall. Yeah. See, it'd be cool if I could get into this game. Can't. Yeah, but today we're gonna be giving away Roblox Noobs pets. Let's go back into this game. Does he have all this? Okay, he doesn't have all the same pet. Alright, I actually have some Dookie pets too. My pets are better. My pets are better. My pets are better. I don't know what to give him. I don't know what to give him. You have that. You have that. That. I don't know how much to give him what I don't want or need. I'm gonna end the video soon. Hopefully this is done before the video is over, but I don't think it will be. Because this is gonna be 15 minutes long. Bullies try to bully you, just gotta be hype. Don't let them bully you, and also looks like I'm kicking. Oh wow, I'm actually hitting it. If anything, my foot is going inside of it. Whose pet this is, I'm sorry, but it's done. It has been done. Your pet has been kicked by Wild Dude, yes. Hype dance, yes, okay. Ugh. Before we react to videos more, let me know. I wasn't originally thinking that I would do this whole voice thing. So I would be typing the stuff out, but I know you guys would